Hello, I'm Katrina, a co-founder of DronePlan. We are a great team of enthusiasts. We add brains into drones, providing autonomous inspection of hard reachable assets like power lines. There are around 40 million of power line transmission grids all over the world. Its inspection involves more than 75% of manual operations. As a result, there are high costs and risks for manpower. The process is time-consuming and has negative environmental impact. It's not only COVID-19 taking lives away. Yearly in USA, 1,000 people are dying during power line inspections. Let me claim, electricians' lives matter too. Nowadays, drones are considered to be a common tool, but most of the operations are still involving manual work, such as flights, data classification, and defect detection. Our software fits for almost all types of drones and carries out completely automated processes. This is crucial for efficient usage of drone and scaling up its productivity. By using our software, you can create a flight mission within just a couple of minutes. Press only one button to execute the mission, synchronize and process the data in the cloud, and get the detailed defect report right away. Our aim is to minimize human involvement in the process. Therefore, we are implementing autonomous takeoff and landing system and AI for defect and problem detection. Despite our main focus on power lines, we are testing our technology in other sectors, such as cell tower inspection and oil spill pollution detection for sea infrastructures. The total market opportunity is exceeding 6 billion euros. Our core team consists of 6 professionals: engineers with experience in machine learning and big data, specialists from transmission, grid, and drone industries, as well as sales and communication gurus like me. We are on seed round investment stage right now, raising 400,000 euros. We are already engaged with industrial investor ready to commit 120,000 euros. Take the opportunity to support us. We are DronePlan. We add brains into drones. Thanks for listening. Let's fly together.